Hi, this is JC with Beyond 20, and today we're going to take a look at just some basic security items within ServiceNow and Cherwell. So we'll start off with Cherwell. If you're looking to do security items, and by this I mean like permissions to access certain things, fields, objects, that kind of thing, or in ServiceNow it'd be modules. So to do this in Cherwell, we're going to go into the security here. If I click on security, and then we are going to go edit security groups. And here we can see a number of tabs. We can also see what group that we're looking for. So for now, I'm just going to go into the portal customer. So this has the info. We then have the rights. So this is going to be your default right. So if nothing's been set, then you have the portal customer will have access to view and to add. And we can see that it goes fairly in depth on the various items. So can the user add email accounts? Nope, they cannot. If we want to allow that, we can check this, but in this case we don't. So there's all sorts of rates you can have. Look at one steps. Can you configure one steps to run through trusted agent? Those kind of things. Obviously, you're not going to want a portal customer to do those, and so those are blocked as well. The next tab here is business objects. So this is getting kind of more down to the nitty gritty of the objects themselves. And we're going to pull up change request here. So the portal customer does have the ability to view change request, but they can't really do much else. They are able to view attachments, but they can't add or edit any in the change module. And that makes sense for the change module. You can view a new field, and then it goes down into the fields specifically. So these are all just marked as view only. So portal customer can view the change itself. And if we change this to admin, we can see that the admin has the ability to do a lot more. Adding, editing, deleting, changing the final state. And then if I went to like a level 1, for instance, we can see they can't delete, they can't change the final state. File attachments, just some attachments. These are the default settings here. And then finally, what are the roles associated? So this portal end user role is associated with the portal customer group. So that's the basics in Cherwell, very, very high level overview. So if we want to do something similar in ServiceNow, let's take a look at where we would go. So in ServiceNow, if we type in ACL into the application navigator, under system security, we see access controls. These access controls are what's going to do basically the same thing as we saw in Cherwell. It's allowing you to read, to write, just about whatever you would need to do. So let's take a look. Let's see. Let's search for change here. So here's a number of change requests. I'm just going to open one of these just so we can see what it looks like. So we can see that everything is grayed out here. And that's because even though I'm logged in as a system administrator, I am still not able to edit this. So if you want to edit this, you actually have to elevate your roles to the security admin, assuming you have the security admin role associated with your profile. Once you do that, then you can see this becomes editable. So these are quite a bit more logic based. Let's see. The user has the ServiceNow write role. And the description will tell us exactly what it does. It means the SN change write role required to create change record requests. This is active. If we check into the advanced, I apologize, my computer's going a little bit slow here today. If we check into the advanced, what it'll do, it will allow us to write a script. And as we can see down here, the script in the script field advanced evaluates to true or sets the variable answer to true or is empty. And so that's taking a very basic look at the messing with security rights, both in ServiceNow and Cherwell. Thanks and have a great day.